Hi, it's Cloud from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video, I'm gonna learn how to create a Gravatar. It's almost like a profile for the web, and normally where you enter your email into some site to comment, into some site to create account, it's gonna load this profile picture, okay? So it's really important to have one nowadays. If you create an account or any WordPress website, you can see the Gravatar that loads right here, okay? This email right here does not have a Gravatar set, so let's create a Gravatar for this email. So where you use it, we're gonna be able to see the Gravatar instead of this picture issue, okay? First thing, go to Google, type Gravatar, be into this far side right here, review the upper right corner of our screen. There is an icon called Get Started Now. You're gonna click on it, you're gonna need to enter your email, and you're gonna receive a code on your email, okay? A code, an email just like this to verify that the email exists, okay? After, enter the code and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one right here, okay? All we have to do, the first thing is click into this blue image, upload the image, select the image that would like to be your Gravatar. We're gonna be loading it. And you can customize the Gravatar. You can make it zoom, for example. Just like this. I think it's okay. After all set up, all we have to do is click onto the done button, to the upper right corner of our screen. This is gonna be your new Gravatar. Now you can enter with your display name. You also can tell people about you. It's up to you, okay, but it's important because this is the web profile, so I highly recommend that you do this. Save change. Then you can enter with contact information in the case that you want, for example, the email, the phone number, the contact form if you have some on your site. Simple, right? After this, say yes. You can connect with social media accounts to give more credibility to your profile. You can enter links, for example, a link to your website. Just like this. And you are good to go. We are done. Now, if you try to see, here is the image that appears when you load your email into some page. To customize this image, go back to Gravatar and do the same process. Click into the image, upload image. You can also use camera, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Remember, you can use this for free. No need to upgrade to Pro in the case you don't want. And you are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.